Hi, my name is Pune. I wanted to show you how to paint a fluid painting, and I put some color orange, red, and yellow. And first I put white on the canvas that I painted before. That's a used canvas, and then I mixed these three color together, and I pour it on canvas so you can see it's very liquid. And then I'm gonna add black here, and I'm going to drag a paper towel. I'm gonna first wet my paper towel with water, and then I'm going to drag it on my canvas. So okay, 2 times. I'm gonna first from here okay, I'm gonna pull it, drag it, and this time I use the other side of my paper towel and drag all the paint. There's a little bit here, and